That's right, GMC. It's a 2009 GMC truck, Savanna, 3500 V8 6.0 liter engine. We're right here at the bottom. Okay, the front. The thing is that there's too much play in the wheel, the steering wheel, and if you tell someone to play with the steering, like just with the play, go within the play, what I found was that the Pitman arm is shaking too much here and shaking too much there. Okay, try to steer the wheel within the play, with the tires touching the ground first. Alright, so yeah, once you know, do it when the tires are touching the floor. Okay, you're gonna see the play, you're gonna see it there, you can see it right there by the tire rod. Okay, but once you lift it, you lift the tires, you're gonna see the play here, the Pitman arm. Okay, that's the name of it. Okay, it looks like it's loose over here, this nut, but I'm gonna change that, and for that, let me take you down here real quick so you can see what's Gucci. We're gonna have to lose this. That's the steering column. Okay, that's like a 12 or 13. I'm gonna lose that, and then we're gonna pry it. That's gonna disengage the bots. This is the bots right here. Then there's two lines that connect to it. There's one over here and one over there. You're gonna have to like disconnect those lines. Okay, and then over here on the side, there's three studs. That one, this one, and that one. Okay, and then see this guy right here. This is the Pitman arm. Okay, and this is here. All right. So it's pretty much that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. I wanna lose everything first. I wanna take this out. I wanna start with this. I'm not doing the lines first because I don't want the steering fluid dropping in my face while I work on this. Okay. That's pretty much. So let's do that, and yeah, I'll tell you how it goes. I'll tell you how it goes. All right. This is gonna be heavy. Okay, so that's why I leave it at the end. All right. I don't know how it's gonna come out though, but probably I'm gonna have to remove this stabilizer bar. I'm gonna have to remove that so this guy just come through here. Okay. We'll see. Okay. Let you know how I did it. Okay. let's get it. Yo, before I jump into action, you know I gotta say, I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without y'all? Thank you for my haters. Thank you, haters. Y'all keep hating. You know what I'm saying? Do that for me. Yeah, if you have any questions, just put it in the comment box, alright? And right below this video, you see there's a heart that says stamps. Click on that so you support the channel by contributing, you know what I'm saying, to this channel, so the channel grows. Alright, since you're getting these videos for free, and since you're getting this video for free, you're not gonna take your car to the dealership or to the mechanic. You can do it by yourself, for yourself, or, you know what I'm saying, and you're gonna save a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? You see how I do? You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get Axtuo, bro. Yeah. Alright. The nut right here, that was 22mm socket. Alright, the nut right here, that was for the bolt, for the steering column. That was 11mm socket. And now I'm gonna try to push the Pitman arm out with this tool. I'll put it through here, and I just push it, and now I'm gonna tighten it. I'm gonna tighten it enough, and then I'm gonna hit it with the hammer here, and hopefully it's gonna push it out. Maybe it's not gonna push it out because I didn't even lose the lines. Maybe I get to lose the lines when I lose the bots from over here. Remember the 3 bolts that hold the bots? Okay, so I want to try to lose this. Okay, maybe it's not gonna work though. I want to try to lose the you know what, I want to lose the bots on the side. I just set it up here so it stays here. Okay, this tool. Alright, now I'm gonna go to the side and lose the 3 bolts. Okay, and we'll go from there. If you want to get to the lines, just remove this. Alright, and then you see a line over here, you see the other line over here. Just mark it, okay, so you don't get confused. I'm gonna mark it now. Okay, just mark one, and then alright, these are I remove 1 bolt. This one's kinda hard. This one is right in front of the stabilizer bar. So it looks like I'm gonna have to lose the stabilizer bar here. It has 2 bolts. I'm gonna try to use a deep socket. Look like a 13. Okay. This side, driver side, and the passenger side. Alright. This look like a 17, 19mm or 18, between 17 and 19mm range. Alright. Okay. This is the driver's side, by the way. Alright, so I shoot the bar. This is the stabilizer bar. Okay. The one on the bottom is 10mm. The one on top is 15mm socket. Alright. There and there. Okay. Now the bar is not in front of this bolt, so I can shoot it now. Alright. We're getting there, we're getting there. I wanna lose the lines though, okay? Don't forget the lines. This lines right here. Those lines. Alright. Those lines. Let me break it down for you. I just lose that guy right there. That's the Pitman arm. Okay, This guy right here, I just loosened with this guy. You're gonna tighten it, okay? Tighten it, and then hit it with the hammer nearby, okay? That's how you loosen that guy. Let me give you a better angle. That guy right there. That guy right there. So right now it's loose though, because I just did what I just told you. Okay? Put the tool, tighten it until it's like really tight, and then hit it with a hammer around like near there. Like in this, over here, around there. Or anywhere in that bar. Hit it with the hammer. Then if it doesn't work after 3 hits, keep tightening it, and then suddenly it's gonna give up. Okay. I did that right after I remove this bolt right here. Okay, I removed the lines, and this guy right here, so it's ready to come out. Okay, I'm gonna remove the gear from here. Alright, let me give you a better. Okay, so it's loose now. Okay, and I wanna. This is the line, so I'm gonna have to like play with it to remove it. Okay. All right. So this is the steering box. You know what I'm saying? The lines go over there. I mark it. Okay, so I know which line goes there. I mark this just in case so it doesn't spin like crazy. This is the Pitman arm. Okay. And it's a little wiggly. Now, for a thumbnail. Alright. Okay. So right now I'm gonna lose this guy. Looks like the 34 is gonna do it. 34. Okay. Pretty much. I have the new ones, so I have to compare which one, because I have two types. Okay. So I have to compare those, and that's the part number. So I'm gonna compare that. So like I was saying earlier, I'm gonna remove this guy. I'm gonna use this tool. Just put it like it goes like this. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to like hammer it a little bit. That's rubber right there. Now you're gonna tighten it. If it doesn't come, tighten it by hand, okay? There's a 19 millimeter in this one, 19 millimeter socket. Tighten it, snug it, and then hit it with the hammer, and the vibration is gonna pop it out. It's gonna pop out the Pitman arm from there. All right. So this guy from the bots, I'm just gonna call it bots, okay? It has 3 guys, 1, 2, and 3 at the bottom, okay? 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. These 2 new ones have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're not gonna fit in this. Alright, so I gotta get the right one. Okay, pretty much. Alright. Alright then, so I have the right part. That's the part number right there. K6654. K6654, made by Move, whatever you call it. I got the it comes with the pin, with the nut, and all this. You got the 3 guys, the greaser, nipple. I set it up already, alright? So I'm just gonna have to put it back, alright? Same procedure, installment goes the same way you remove it, the same way it goes back in. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna do it right now. Let's get it. So, boom. Alright, there's a final product right here. Alright, that's why I mark it though. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard to move this by hand, but just align it. If you need to lift this, you're probably gonna have to use a jack. Okay, I got a jack right there. Okay, because you can do it by hand though, but then you have to like tight it there. You know what I'm saying, tight it there. When you lose those, that's 15, that's 10 millimeter. Okay, when you lose those and that and the last one, this thing's gonna drop. So don't be under this, okay? Don't be under the stabilizer bar, okay? Because that thing's gonna drop. Alright. Now everything's tight. I wanna pour some. The tires are straight. Yeah. The steering wheel is straight. I'm gonna pour some steering fluid and yeah. See how perform. That should be it. Alright, gotta change the Pitman arm in this GMC. Okay. What else? Yeah, if you have any questions, just put in the comment box for me. Let me do a better angle. Yeah, if you have any questions, just put in the comment box for me. Anything else? Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without y'all? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, you see right below this screen, this video, there's a heart that says thanks. Click on that so you support the channel by contributing to this channel. You know what I'm saying? That's like a tip. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Burun. Like I said, any questions, put it in the comment box. Alright? Axtuo, Burun. I'm out there. Yeah.